जोहार, नमस्कार। संजीवस कॉलेज रांची 75 वर्षों का यह कॉलेज लगातार अपने गति के साथ, अपने अरमानों के साथ, विद्यार्थियों के सपनों के साथ, कुशल प्रबंधन के साथ लगातार अपने लक्ष्य पथ की ओर बढ़ता जा रहा है। गतिशील रथ है, गतिशील रथ है, उज्जवल पथ है, तूफानी उमंगों का साथ है, मिले अनेक हितैषियों का हाथ है, बेहतरीन की तरफ जाने की बात है, कॉलेज की अपनी समृद्ध विरासत है। 75 वर्षों में हमने पाई आसमानी ऊंचाई है, अनंत उपलब्धियों की बड़ी कमाई है, संत पुरुषों का प्रांजल आशीष है, कर्मवीर शिक्षकों एवं कर्मियों की सतत कोशिश है, समय का साथ है, समय के आगे जाने का संकल्प है, व्यक्तित्व को सजाने संवारने का नहीं और कोई विकल्प है, क्योंकि जे कॉलेज करता हमारा कायाकल्प है।
धन्य हो ज्ञानालय वियत, धन्य हो ज्ञानालय वियत, तेरे आंगन में हम फूले फले, तेरे आंगन में हम फूले फले, तेरी जय हो, तेरा यश हो, तेरा मान हो, तेरी जय हो, तेरा यश हो, तेरा मान हो, धन्य हो ज्ञानालय वियत।
प्रभु, तेरी करामत से मैं हूँ अनजान, तू तो अंतर्यामी है, मैं बालक नादान, सुबह तुझसे ही होती है, तुझसे होती है शाम, जीवन यूं ही गुजर रहा बस लेकर प्रभु का नाम, शरण में तेरी जो रहे वो होता कभी नहीं निराश, जब झूठा लगता है उसे बस तुझ पर हो विश्वास। ईश्वर का आशीष हम सब पर, इस कॉलेज पर पिछले 75 वर्षों से कॉलेज गतिशील है, लगातार उपलब्धियों की ऊंचाई को प्राप्त कर रहा है। ये कॉलेज हमें दिशा निर्देश देता है हमारे धर्म ग्रंथों से, हमारी सुक्तियों से, जहाँ प्रभु की वाणी है, प्रभु का आशीर्वाद है, और हम उसी रीत पर चलकर अपने मंतव्य और गंतव्य तक पहुँचते हैं। मैं अनुरोध कर रहा हूँ बाइबल पाठ के लिए, बाइबल पाठ के लिए ब्रदर आ रहे मंच पर। बाइबल के सुक्ति ग्रंथ से यह अंश लिया गया है। बाइबल पाठ के लिए ब्रदर मंच पर।
सुक्ति ग्रंथ अध्याय 4 पद संख्याएं 1 से 13 तक। प्रज्ञा सर्वोपरि है, सबसे पहले प्रज्ञा प्राप्त करो, किसी भी कीमत पर सद्बुद्धि प्राप्त करो, इसे संजोए रखो और वह तुम्हें महान बनाएगी, इससे लिपटे रहो और यह तुम्हें सम्मान दिलाएगी, यह तुम्हारे कंठ में एक मनोहर माला डाल देगी और तुम्हें महिमा का किरीट प्रदान करेगी। पुत्र सुनो, मेरी बातों पर ध्यान दो और तुम्हारी आयु लंबी होगी। मैं तुम्हें प्रज्ञा का मार्ग दिखाता और सन्मार्ग पर ले चलता हूँ। तुम आगे बढ़ोगे तो बाधा नहीं होगी, तुम दौड़ने लगोगे तो ठोकर नहीं खाओगे। इस शिक्षा को ग्रहण करो, इसे कभी मत छोड़ो, इसे संजोए रखो, क्योंकि यह तुम्हारा जीवन है।
वेद पढ़ना आसान है, वेद पढ़ना आसान है, लेकिन अगर हमने किसी की वेदना पढ़ ली तो ये अच्छी पढ़ाई है, सच्ची पढ़ाई है। इसलिए गुजारिश है कि बेकरारों को करार दे मौला, बेकरारों को करार दे मौला, इस चमन को बहार दे मौला, जिसकी आंखों में आज आंसू ही आंसू है, उनके चेहरे को संवार दे मौला। हमारी यही कोशिश, हमारी यही प्रवृत्ति, हमारी यही वृत्ति चाहिए। हम सब इसी संकल्प के साथ कि हमारे जीवन का पथ लगातार आलोकित होता रहे, रोशनमय होता रहे। मैं अनुरोध करता हूँ मंचासीन सभी अतिथियों से, सभी आगतों से कि आप आए और दीप जलाकर इस कार्यक्रम का विधिवत आगाज करें। जीवन एक अवसर है श्रेष्ठ बनने का, श्रेष्ठ करने का और श्रेष्ठ देने का।
Reverend Father Emmanuel Balla is the principal of the college. Father Vinod Kumar Milum is the registrar of the college. Professor A.K. Sinha, controller of examinations, deans of different faculties. Professor Sanjay Ghosh, Dean and Head Department of Commerce. Dr. Marcus Balla, DSW of the college. Dr. Bharti Raipat, Head Department of Zoology. Dr. Professor Gautam Rudra, Department of Vocational Studies and Management. Distinguished guests and my dear students. It is a great privilege to address a new batch of students who got admission in St. Xavier's College, Ranchi. I extend my warm welcome to you all. मैं आप सबों का हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ। I congratulate the freshers who are admitted in this college. You have become the part and parcel of this prestigious college, St. Xavier's College, Ranchi family. I would like to remind you that an opportunity is given to each one of you. You are expected to work regularly so that you earn knowledge and grow day by day. St. Xavier's College, Ranchi was started by the Society of Jesus of Ranchi, Jesuit province in 1944. The Society of Jesus is a religious order in the Catholic Church founded by Saint Ignatius of Loyola in 1540. I would like to say a few words about Saint Francis Xavier. From his life we find that he was a man of God. He was a man of God. He was sent by God. He had a burning desire to work for the people. Just we see that how he moved from place to place. My dear students, I do hope that you draw inspirations from the life of St. Francis Xavier, and also you remember some of the nuances or specialities of this institution, and I do hope that you will grow and you will learn more day by day. You will be here with us for 3 years or 5 years. If you go for PG, then 5 years. Be the close followers of St. Francis Xavier. May this saint bless you all so that you may enjoy your academic journey and may realize your dreams. I wish you all the best. May God bless you.
Respected Father Dr. Nabod Lakda, Rector of St. Xavier's College, and the chief guest of today, all the respected professors, non-teaching staff, and my dear students. On behalf of the college, I welcome all of you to this institution. It is your privilege that you have been selected to be the student of this college. Therefore, thank and praise the Lord, praise the Almighty that He has given you such an opportunity that you are here in this institution to be formed, to be united with the Almighty and to be united with the whole nation and the whole universe. Therefore, I welcome on behalf of this institution. You are coming from different boards, and different boards are having different kinds of philosophy. But when you are entering into this institution, that is in St. Xavier's College, St. Xavier's College is having different philosophy than which you had, and you have to imbibe with this philosophy. You have to lead your life as long as you remain here, and later on when you are walking in the world. That philosophy is that you are children of God. You are children of the Almighty. Therefore, all of you are equal in the eye of God. Therefore, you are brothers and sisters of the same Lord. And in this institution, forget about your caste, creed, religion, birthplace, and your sex. But you must live as brothers and sisters and respect one another, love one another, care for one another. This is the philosophy St. Xavier's College holds, and therefore I am requesting all of you to imbibe with this philosophy. With this philosophy, you have to inculcate the new attitude, and this new attitude would be that you are open to the reality. You are open to one another. You must be sympathetic to one another. You must understand the life of one another, culture of one another, religion of one another, and the problems of one another. I would ask you, as a student of this college, you should have desire to learn new things, and not only to learn, but as St. Francis Xavier desired to excel himself. He wanted to be the first in the world, and he excelled himself intellectually, excelled himself with the relationship with one another, excelled himself with the relationship with the universe and God. Therefore, your excellence should be comprehensive. If you want to be successful in your life, only means, and I repeat and I say, only means, that is the hard work. That hard work will pay you hard work will make you happy, hard work will make you successful in your life. Therefore, this institution believes strongly that you must have hard work. With this institution also demands for discipline. Without discipline, you cannot form yourself. One thing I ask all of you, be cheerful, be happy. The cheerful giver receives abundantly. Therefore, if you are cheerful and cheerfully you work, cheerfully you give yourself to this institution, cheerfully you give your study, you will be the most happiest person in the world. Therefore, be cheerful when you are in this institution. You must also enjoy your study. You must enjoy your life. You must enjoy your study. You should not feel that it is a burden, but you must enjoy. You must enjoy your work. You must enjoy your companionship with your friends, with your other fellow human beings. At the end, I would ask that make your life over here meaningful. And lastly, I would ask all of you, the new students, respect one another, love one another, care for one another, and try to help one another in whatever way you would like to help one another. And you also respect your teachers, non-teaching staff, even the gatekeepers. Respect them. They are working day in, day out for you and for your development. May God bless you, bless your studies, and bless your life.
My dear students, you can understand me. You are the highest number of Zavarian soldiers. So you must be proud of again. Therefore, my dear students, because you are the highest number in this college, I expect from you to take a vow of utmost discipline, numbness, politeness, generosity, modesty, kindness, and honesty, as also referred by Father Principal Emmanuel Bala moments ago. I sincerely hope that you will imbibe these utmost humane virtues in your everyday life. My dear young ones, once upon a time, I was also a student of this college, like you are today. Let me, in moments, share few experience what used to happen then. गुजर गए वो दिन हमारे जब हम आते कॉलेज में, घड़ी में बजता 6:45, हम लेट आते देख एक नंबर कमरा बिलोंग्स टू द प्रिंसिपल, एक नंबर कमरे से निकलते लंबे फादर प्रूस्ट और चिल्लाकर कहते बदमाश, used to smoke cigar, बदमाश means बदमाश, बदमाश, कॉमर्स के बंदर, जाओ क्लास के अंदर। घंटी बजती, ब्रेक का, मिलते फादर डी ब्रावर। हम उन्हें देखकर चिल्लाकर कहते, गुड मॉर्निंग ढेबरी फादर। उनका निकनेम वही था उस समय प्रचलन में, गुड मॉर्निंग ढेबरी फादर। वे दौड़ाते हमें और कहते, अरे जनसंघ का बेटा। जनसंघ यूज्ड टू बी पार्टी विच इज नाउ बीजेपी। हमें कहते, हम इसी क्वाड्रेंट में दौड़ते, उनके पीछे पीछे हमारा दौड़ते और कहते, अरे जनसंघ का बेटा, पढ़ाई लिखाई करो, नहीं तो हो जाएगा घाटा। बिकॉज वी बिलोंग टू कॉमर्स, यू नो, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, तो नहीं तो हो जाएगा घाटा। किस किस का नाम ले हम, जिन्होंने हम गधों को घोड़ा बनाया। प्रिंसिपल रहे फादर घंटराय, फादर फ्रैंकलिन, फादर सुरीन, फादर डिसूजा, फादर निकोलस डेटी। अब फादर इमैनुअल बारला का बारी आया। सेंट जेवियर, संत जेवियर, संतों का कॉलेज है ये। आपके सामने संत बैठे हुए हैं। संत जेवियर इग्नेशियस लॉयला के शिक्षा की ज्योति लेकर आगे चले। कितने फादर जो हमारे साथ हैं, उनका मैं प्रेजेंट में नाम ले रहा हूं। कितने फादर, नबोर, विनोद, रोशन, एडविन, फ्लोरेंस, कैनेडी, राजेश और हम शिक्षक, हमारे कलीग्स भी साथ जुड़े, अंधकार से शक्ति की जो शिक्षा की ज्योति लेकर। थैंक यू वेरी मच फ्रॉम डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कॉमर्स। Once again, thank you, all of you.
When the new students come, one thing comes to my mind is they come with a lot of enthusiasm. They want to learn, they have a lot of enthusiasm within themselves to learn new things. So two words come to me, to my mind, and those two words are aptitude and attitude. And especially because I teach mathematics, many students and parents also come and say, my son or daughter wants to study maths only, or chemistry only, or physics only, or zoology only. She is interested only in that subject. I said that is an aptitude. And that's why I also say that you should understand your own self. You should understand your ability, what you can do and what you cannot do. If you know what you can do, and if you also know what you cannot do, then one can teach you. Otherwise, no. My humble suggestion to all of you students is, make your own rule for your study. Not the rule of your parents, not the rule of the college institution. I'm talking about your self-discipline. Make routine for yourself. Don't depend on that your parents will make routine for you. Your institution will make routine for you, but make a rule for yourself with discipline, and you will be successful. And with these few sharing of my experience, I wish you all the best, and God will always bless you. Thank you.
Reverend Father Dr. Emmanuel Barda, Principal of the college. Reverend Father Vinod Bilum, Registrar of the college. Reverend Father Nabur Lakra, Rector and the Vice Principal of the college, my deans sitting on the dais, respected officers, and my young friends. You will be staying here for 3 years, and during that period of 3 years, you have got 6 parts, 6 months each semester, 6 months each part. So first part is known as first semester. It consists of 6 months. Similarly, there are 6 semesters, and all the 6 semesters have final exams. And not only final exams, they have mid-sem exams and all other study programs there. So you do not have much time. You cannot waste your time. You cannot play with your time. You have to be serious right from the beginning. That's very important. Second thing that I would like to tell you is that in 6 months' time, we are going to monitor your attendance also. So you have to be very careful. It has already been pointed out by one of the speakers that you have to take care of your attendance. Here, the attendance is 100%. But for appearing in the examination, a minimum of 75% attendance is required. I hope, जैसा डॉक्टर कमल बोस ने कहा, आप बेहतर लोग हैं, बेहतरीन कॉलेज में आए हैं, बेहतरीन बनकर निकलिए, ये हम लोग का कि ये ब्लेसिंग्स है, and all the best. Thank you.
Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Father Nabur Lakra, SJ, the Rector of the College, Reverend Dr. Father Emmanuel Barla, SJ, the Principal of St. Xavier's College, Ranchi, Reverend Dr. Father Vinod Bilum, SJ, the Registrar of the College, respected Jesuit Fathers of the College, respected professors, and non-teaching staff, my dear newly admitted students of St. Xavier's College, Ranchi. Hearty welcome to St. Xavier's College, Ranchi. Thank you very much, Dr. Kamal sir, for giving me this opportunity. Dear students, I will be at your service as Dean of the Students' Welfare, DSW, during the college hours. Often, you may see me in the corridors of the college building and the campus. At times, I may be reminding you to go inside the classrooms, especially after the second bell. St. Xavier's College has become a very big college, and classes are held at different wings. Sometimes you are late. I will stare at you very sternly to be punctual. Many times we will demand from you discipline, decency, and silence in the classrooms, corridors, and even in the college campus and canteen. Our college promotes and nurtures these values, of course, with academic excellence and character formation. Dear students, if you face any problems in the college campus, you are most welcome to meet me without any hesitation. I will try my best to represent your genuine issues and request to the college authorities. Feel at home, study well, and grow fearlessly. Remember, we educate our students for the better service of the society and the nation. Gradually, you will contact many professors, non-teaching staff, and senior students. Greet them and respect them. In return, you will receive the respect and blessings. Now, you have become the members of the renowned international Jesuit organization. Hence, from today, you have become Xaverian forever. We have a slogan, once a Xaverian, always a Xaverian. All the best. Thank you very much.
ईश्वर का दिया कभी अल्प नहीं होता, जो टूट जाए वो संकल्प नहीं होता। हार को अपने लक्ष्य के सामने कभी मत रखना। हार को अपने लक्ष्य के सामने कभी मत रखना, क्योंकि जीत का कोई विकल्प नहीं होता।
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात